Hello friend, welcome to my channel WildCreed. I'm Kiroy, and in this video I'll show you how to solve your PHP version error in your WordPress website and upgrade that. Actually, when you install WordPress in your hosting plan, they keep version 5 support. But many of hosting plans now launch 7.3, 7.2 support in PHP, and they are very faster than version 5, and you can first your website by this PHP update. Firstly, you need to go to your WordPress hosting plan and see how many PHP version they support for you. My hosting plan is Reseller Club, so I search for the Reseller Club PHP support. Go to Google or any search engine and just search it by your hosting plan name. Now you can see that my hosting plan Reseller Club gives support on PHP version 5.4 by default, and it already includes 5.2, 5.3 up to 7.0. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and install a plugin which can check your website's PHP support. Click on Add New button and type PHP Compatibility Checker. Go to the first plugin, this plugin, PHP Compatibility Checker, and install now. After install, activate that. Go to your this plugin settings and press Start Scan. You can see PHP version 7.0 to 7.3 is available. Okay, I select PHP 7.0 and click on Scan Site. It will scan all of my installed plugins and themes of my WordPress website. In this process, if you found any error on any plugin, please delete that plugin from your WordPress. After checking everything, you need to go to cPanel to update PHP. In cPanel window, go to the software, and in this area click on Multi PHP Manager. In this area, you can select and update all of your domain's PHP versions. In my case, PHP 7.3 support my WordPress. So I select all of my domains and select the PHP version and click on Apply. Just refresh your website WordPress dashboard. You can see the error is already gone. I want to recheck my website PHP condition, so go to plugins. Click on Start Scan. Select the PHP version 7.3 and select the all plugins and themes and scan the site again. Some of plugins show unknown, but if you found any error by the red mark, you must delete that plugins from your plugin manager. After that, deactivate the PHP compatibility checker plugin and delete that. Using this method, you can easily increase the speed of your website. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel WildCreed and please like my video and support me. Thank you.